Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, here with another video for you guys. So it's a new construction alert, and the development that we'll be taking a look on today is the first time I'm gonna do a video on it. So you guys definitely stay tuned. So we're right outside of the AC Hotel on Lady Musgrave. So that's the AC Hotel right here. And the development is right very close to the AC Hotel. So it's a commercial development. It looks like it's gonna be a mall. I see opportunity for leases. It's been built on a lot that was empty for years, well, empty forever, and it's at a spot where they had to be very creative with the design. And to be honest, it's not the first video. I did a video probably a year ago when they were doing the foundation works and before we knew what was going there. So what I'll do, I'll put the link for that very first video we did months ago, so you guys can check out that video if you haven't yet done so. So I'll put it in the comments so you can watch that video. So we're gonna basically just walk from the AC Hotel down to the location, show you guys a glimpse of what's going on. We still don't get back a drone yet, so you guys unfortunately won't get any aerial shots, but at least we still see what's going on. At least we're still able to stay abreast of the multiple construction that are going on in Kingston, in Jamaica as well. So stay tuned. Thanks for clicking on this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribing is also free. It's the easiest way to support the channel as well. So stay tuned. Let's go take a walk. We're gonna walk from the AC Hotel, which also have ATL Autobahn with BMW, Mini Cooper, BYD car brands. So this is also a sales outlet for them. BYD, which is also a Chinese brand that ATL has taken on, will be coming here as well. Not sure if they're here already. Starbucks coffee is also here. So stay tuned. We're not gonna go on the property. We're just gonna walk by and then go to the location. Alright guys, so we're getting closer to the location. It's directly in front of us. So we're seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors so far. It's right in this major corner of Lady Musgrave and Trafalgar Road. Very busy location. again guys, remember to like, comment and share. So the project is being financed by JMB, very popular financing institution. I would say probably over 50% of them get financed by JMB. So coming soon, Trafalgar 1, that's the name. So as I mentioned, seems to be a luxury shopping center, luxury plaza per se. I'm gonna go closer to the billboard and show you guys. It's Premier Corporate Suits. So 3 levels of parking, rooftop entertainment. Alright guys, remember to leave your comments in terms of the location, the design, the use of the building and everything. When I first saw it, I thought it was another hotel, but it seems as if it's more like a business center, a commercial business complex.